Welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Summer's gone. We're putting the toys away. Coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Getting ready for the winter months, the winter blues. So we can bring in another project.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
But the premise behind this project was I'm going to buy something for what I made last month on YouTube. And I paid exactly what I've made. Because that was my only goal, I think I probably overpaid. Yeah, I think I may have grossly overpaid. So what we have here is simply glorious. And that's truck. Tires only flat in the bottom. Boxes, something there to work with. Limited amount of weight reduction. We got a rusty scabby door here, and we got a rusty scabby door in the box here. Came with a bunch of parts. It's resale red. We're gonna have to put some cab resurrection in this thing. Another tire almost flat on the bottom. Good ride support. We've got a good ride support, So as always, we're going to take this project one step at a time. Probably get the box off first, get the repairs done on that. We'll get that fixed, and then I'll pull the cab off. Maybe. See how we go. We got some rocker panels to put on it. Well, just one. Got this side's good. And it's got a good frame. New gas tank on it. New brake lines. Come with a bunch of parts. So let's see what we can make out of this. The only thing holding the cab on is gravity. Same with the box and a ratchet strap. But see if we can make chicken soup out of chicken shit. 4-barrel intake for a V6. What the hell did I get myself into? Delco sound. Well, she was rust checked. That's probably why there's as much there as there is. Like that. Yeah, me not so much. But we got solid bones. See if we can get this body back together. First things first. Just cut the box off. Now that we got the dent speed out of it, I can get a pattern to make this panel on. That's coming up in the next episode where I'm going to start repairing the bottom sides of this box. I would buy these panels if I could get them, but they're not buyable. So this is a teachable moment. So I'm going to show you in the next episode how to fabricate some box repair on a Sonoma bed. All right. So, if we needed a new project, we got one. If you're seeing this for the first time, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button. It'll be right there. You can watch another video right around here somewhere. And we will have more content coming up on the Sonoma S-Truck build. We could use a name for this project, so you can fire that in the comment section down below. I haven't committed to painting it yet, but I have committed to getting it running and driving. So, if I do decide to paint it, let me know what color you think it should go. All that will be coming up in the S project as soon as I get some parts. Some things to work with. All right, see you next time.